When it comes to designing a partitioning scheme for Google BigQuery, data engineers often weigh cost against query performance. Grok, with its emphasis on real-time data and rapid iteration, tends to suggest partition by ingestion time for streaming workloads, favoring simplicity and low latency. Gemini, on the other hand, leans toward column-based partitioning based on query patterns, aiming to minimize scanned bytes and optimize cost for analytical queries. In practice, Grok excels in scenarios where data arrives continuously and freshness matters, while Gemini shines for scheduled batch jobs with predictable access patterns. Both models agree on the importance of avoiding over-partitioning, which can lead to metadata overhead and slower maintenance. A balanced approach might involve using date-based partitioning for daily increments and clustering for high cardinality columns like user IDs. Ultimately, the choice depends on whether the priority is real-time ingestion efficiency or long-term query cost reduction. The takeaway: let your workload's access patterns guide the scheme, and use AI models as thought partners, not decision